How to know your Aadhaar linked mobile number? Yes, you are listening right. How to check out that which mobile number is given into your Aadhaar card. First of all, requesting you, please watch this video till the end, and you can do this work on your mobile, laptop or computer, wherever you want to do. You don't have to worry about that I am showing in computer. You have to go to the internet browser on your mobile or any device. Click on check Aadhaar validity. You have to search, and after that click on first link. You will see, I will provide the link in the description below, so you can check out on the below section over there. After that you have to enter the Aadhaar number. You have already Aadhaar card, and after that you have to enter this captcha, exactly same captcha. If n is in small, and you have to add in small, and click on the proceed. And after just few seconds you will see that it's showing you the Aadhaar number is exist and verification is completed. Your mobile number's last 3 digits is over here. This is the last digit, and this is the mobile number linked with your Aadhaar. Like, share, subscribe for get more videos. Bye bye for now.